Welcome to this guide on how to effectively use video overviews with OneBoard and NotebookLM. This video is designed for anyone looking to quickly grasp the essence of lengthy documents and complex information, saving you valuable time and enhancing your understanding. In today's fast-paced world, information overload is a real challenge. We're constantly bombarded with documents, reports, and articles. Video overviews offer a powerful solution to this problem, transforming dense text into concise, engaging video summaries. A video overview is an AI-generated video summary of a document or collection of documents. It's like having a personal assistant who reads through everything for you and then presents the key takeaways in an easy-to-digest video format. The core benefits of video overviews are clear: significant time savings, improved comprehension, and a much more engaging way to consume information. Imagine summarizing an entire report in minutes. Video overviews boast several powerful features. They can be created from various sources, including PDFs, Google Docs, and even entire OneBoard projects. You can also customize the AI host's focus and the structure of the video, ensuring it meets your specific needs. Generating a video overview is straightforward. Simply upload your document or connect your OneBoard project, and our AI does the rest. It intelligently extracts the most important information and synthesizes it into a coherent video script. One of the most exciting capabilities is the ability to customize your AI host. You can guide the AI to focus on specific themes or sections of your document, and even choose the overall structure of the video, whether it's a summary, a detailed explanation, or a Q&A session. Video overviews are not just for personal use. They come with robust sharing and collaboration features, allowing you to easily share summaries with team members, clients, or anyone who needs to quickly get up to speed on a topic. To recap, video overviews empower you to quickly understand complex information, save time, and collaborate more effectively. It's a game changer for anyone dealing with a high volume of documents. Ready to transform your information consumption? Head over to OneBoard or NotebookLM today and start creating your first video overview. It's simple, intuitive, and incredibly powerful.